So I listen to lecture capture system, lectures on the lecture capture system. Depends on what kind of lecture it is. Most of them I've listened full from first, second to the end. Some of them, if I have to go back and look at specific thing, then I would just go in that specific part of it. But usually I listen to the whole lecture to get the full experience.
I tend to watch the entire thing because if I start skipping points into that lecture, I'd feel as if like I'm not engaging with the content that's already been provided to us. And the thing is that if I go through it, quite slowly, through each part of it, I'd be able to understand what the lecturer is talking about and, seeing how he's got from point A to point B. I don't want to jump straight to point B without knowing what point A was. So in a sense, it's just trying to help us bridge our knowledge and, know about the problem-solving solutions that they provided. So you don't want to go straight to the solution. You want to see what the problem is at first and see how he's worked through it through his methodology. So in a sense, I go through it, perfectly. So from start to finish.
For me, how I actually use it is I would go through the lecture slides, and then I think, oh, so that was quite a big topic. So I'll go through my notes, because I still take them anyway, and then I see, okay, there's a bit of a gap there, so I'll go and listen to the lecture slide. Will not sit and listen to it all the way through. I don't.